To install the Clone2Elementor extension, first, right-click the zip file and extract it. Once you've right-clicked, click the Extract to Clone2Elementor option. And just like that, we now have our extracted folder. Double-click to open the folder. This is the folder that contains all the code and files for the extension, so this is the one we're going to install. Now in your Chrome browser, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. Next, find the Extensions option, and then click Manage Extensions. Here, if developer mode is turned off, simply toggle it on. Now that developer mode is enabled, go back to the extracted extension folder, then simply drag and drop it into this page. And just like that, we have the extension installed. Next, come up here and click the Extensions icon. Here, you'll see our Clone2Elementor extension. Click the pin icon to pin the extension to your toolbar so it's always within easy reach whenever you want to clone a website. Although you can now start cloning websites, there are a couple of settings that I highly recommend enabling. Place your mouse cursor over the Clone2Elementor extension, right-click it, and then click Manage Extension. Now, scroll down. If Allow Access to File URLs is disabled, I recommend turning it on. I also recommend enabling the extension in incognito mode. And that's pretty much it. Now, when you click the extension, you'll notice that it's fully active and ready to use. You can clone pretty much any website, whether it's a website you've created with Claude AI, Gemini, Elementor, Webflow, or just about any other website on the internet. You can clone it using this extension. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.